Good afternoon, welcome to the Perkins Garage's YouTube channel for another walk around video. Let me begin by apologising about any wind noise you might entail. Unfortunately, that's Mother Nature for you, but let's go against Mother Nature and give you a lovely walk around video. Here we have a chrome blue Ford Tourneo Custom Sport. This is the L1, so short wheelbase, and it's the 185 PS 6-speed manual. This has tons of specification on, as you'd expect, including a factory fitted tow bar. So if you're in the market for towing, this has a 2.1 tonne braked towing capacity. So let me drive around here and then get inside the vehicle so you might actually be able to hear me. But let's start at the front. So flick the key, we've got remote central lock-in. Let me show you that, ladies and gents. Remote central lock-in. So we can cycle that and show you. It might appear to be flashing in your video, but let me assure you it is not. We have daytime running lamps featuring around these lovely large headlights. Automatic lights as well, and I'll show you that just inside. So lovely large headlights, and we also have some front parking sensors there as well. And we've got a little radar there, which suggests we have some driver assistance features on this vehicle. Let's move around now to the offside front of the vehicle, where we can see your first lovely 17-inch machine cut alloy wheel. They are twinned, as you can tell for yourself, with some lovely Michelin tyres on them as well. Now make our way around the offside body now. So we've got the two classic Tourneo two-tone, so and you've got black covers and rear privacy glass to make it a two-tone effect with some lovely Tourneo badging there as well. It's not sunny, but I should be able to give you some lovely reflections on those panels accordingly, and they all look marvellous. So as you can tell, we're now at the rear of the vehicle. What do we have at the rear? We've got a rear camera, rear parking sensors, and a factory fitted tow bar. So you've got the towing ball just underneath that lovely Ford cover, and all your latest electrical socket in there as well. So all of your towing needs are all cared for. So again, to reiterate, 2.1 tonne towing capacity for a braked trailer. By law it's only 750 for a braked, but 2.1. So nice caravan. You've got a nice caravan, large heavy caravan, that can be towed by that, no worries. So if you're looking for a new towing vehicle with plenty of seats, 8 seats in total, perfect. So we'll just take you around the near side of the vehicle quickly. Once again, nice 17-inch Michelins on some lovely machine cut alloy wheels. Fuel filler cap features at the near side of the vehicle. We'll whiz round here and we'll show you inside the rear. So pop that open quickly, like so. Once again, it's a short wheelbase, so you've still got plenty of room in the back here for all suitcases and other equipment, dogs, you name it, you've got plenty of room. 12-volt socket also features at the rear here, and to keep all your devices, drills, toolboxes, everything charged up. Nice large tailgate there, so you can seek for shelter when everybody else is getting wet. So yeah, it's a nice 2-in-1 feature there. Right, so we've got a nice handle there to help us put it down, like so. Nice and easy to do with the assistance of those hydraulic struts. So let's go inside the rear of the vehicle now. So once again, rear privacy glass features there. It's very windy, so I'm going to get my floor mats running across the bottom of the floor. Right, okay, so we're in the vehicle. So I'm sitting in the middle seat, so currently we're in conference mode. So as you can see for yourself, we have 2 lots of 3 seats. So we've got this row facing me currently, and we've got the one I'm on, let me just turn around now, facing me as well. So you can have these set up as 2 rows of 3 facing forwards. So this row I'm currently on simply rotates 180 degrees, so this seat is going to become the offside front seat. So whichever setup you like it in, they're very, very versatile. Let me run you through some other spec we've got in the rear here. So rear air conditioning, with controls for that just up here. Got rear vents all the way around, and your rear speaker system also. We have 2 USBs on the near side, 2 more on the off side. We've got 2 more, if I can find it, on the handbrake. I can't get you an angle on the handbrake. Oh, there we go, 2 more USBs just down there. So 6 for the 6 seats, and we've got 2 more at the front, so every single person has got their own USB to charge. As you can notice as well, individual sun blinds, which attract lovely, and you've got your manually opening windows at the rear here as well. Okay, let me just try and get out of here. There we are. Never so easy when you've got a camera in your hand as well. Okay, let me show you the seats quickly. This lever here is going to fold down the top section of the seat, locks in place like that. We now have another lever just below it, so we can pull that lever upwards like so, and they're going to lock in position, just like that. So what you can do from here is use this lever here and completely remove this individual seat. So you've got 6 individual seats. Little secret, you know, if you weren't taking people around and you need a transit van for the day, take the seats out. You quite literally have a transit van. So very versatile, these vehicles. I think that's why they are so popular. You know, again, conference, don't want them that way, turn around, 2 banks are free. So very versatile. And even if you're not going to use the seats, take a couple out, even more storage. So whatever configuration you've got them in, they can be very versatile for you. Must add as well, if I pull the right lever, okay, I'm not going to show that with one hand. The back of the middle seats also double up as a cup holder and a table as well. So if you've only got 4 passengers, they can have a table. How lovely is that? Let's jump inside the front now and get rid of some of that wind noise, shall we? So 2 electric controlled windows at the front there and mirror controls, interior locking next to the driver door handle. Okay, let's start from right to left. I mentioned earlier when I was at the headlights, automated lights there, so keep that in automatic on that function there. And that little light sensor there is going to turn the lights on for you when it gets dark. So a lovely little feature. We've got remote central locking on a standard key blade. So I pop that down into the barrel, foot on the clutch, and that's going to give us power to the vehicle. So let's continue going left, and this is your driver display with a nice digital driver display in the middle there as well. So we can use the arrows on the right hand side of the steering wheel along with the back button and the menu button to cycle through the menus here. So we've got navigation, we've got your radio, so media, your phone connectivity, we've got different settings, trip computers. What is that displaying? Averaging 31 over the last 400 miles. We've got a digital speedo and also driver assistance. So I mentioned that when we're outside. So that little radar at the front is going to be controlling the pre-collision assist. We've also got traffic sign recognition, lane keeping system, driver alert, hill start assist, eco coach, cruise control, and a speed limiter. So plenty of driver assistance features feature on this vehicle. I said features quite a lot there, didn't I? Anyway, lots of driver assistance on this vehicle altogether. So doesn't stop there. Another driver assistance thing is your adaptive cruise control. So you can set it conventionally using that button there. You can monitor and adjust the distance using that button just here. So it's a really nice cruise control. And if you are on those longer journeys, it is an amazing system. If you haven't used it before, come down, I'll give you a full demonstration of it. It is phenomenal. I love it. So I'm a cruise control fanatic. So we're going to move across now, look at the infotainment monitor. This is a Sync 3.4 navigation system. So we can tell it's a 3.4 because we've got the dark blue band at the bottom there. So this is your home screen effectively, and from there you can go into things such as audio, so AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, anything you like. We can plug it into here. Phones, that's referring to old devices. We've got there navigation, so we can go to navigation. Very easy. See how responsive it is as well. Doesn't take long. Come into Perkins, Charlie, Mike, 776 Sierra Alpha. Search that one. There we go. That's going to take you straight to Perkins garages. Easy as that. So yeah, I won't start that, otherwise it's going to start talking at me. We'll come out of there quickly. But there, that's effectively your home screen. On this screen as well, you also have your rear parking camera with your sensors at the left hand side. Look at that little hitch assist as well. So see where I'm moving the steering wheel, it's going to navigate you to hitch up your trailer, caravan, anything you are towing nice and easily. So no more shouting at your mate out the window, left a bit, right hand down, back, forward, left, right. Enough of that. It's a one-man job now, so it's a really nice feature to have. That's complemented with your automated park assist. So click on that button there, tell the screen what kind of space you can go into. So we have here a nice bay park, perpendicular park, any parking space you're going to go into. Use the indicators to navigate between the left and right side of the road, and quite simply follow the instructions. So it's a really nice feature. If you do struggle parking, we're going to take maximum use of all the technology the vehicle has to offer, and it's going to park for you. It really is an incredible system to have on such a large vehicle. Down there as well, we also have a button for the parking sensors, one for the modes. You can put it into eco mode, so it's going to suggest changing up and down, or changing up gears a lot sooner to reduce the revs. The heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls are all found just below the screen. As you can see for yourself, I've got the heated front seats on, so I've got a very warm bottom, so I'm going to turn that down. And we also have the electronic heated screen, so perfect for the winter months when you have a frosty windscreen and you're in a hurry for the school run or anything like that. Coming down there again, we've got a USB and another 12 volt. I said you've got one each, I wasn't lying. Lift up this cover here, another USB and a 12 volt as well. So tons and tons of USBs. You're all going to be nicely connected. And if you watch my previous videos, you know I'm a cup holder fanatic. And what I like even more than a cup holder, is we've got two nice adaptive cup holders. So you've got adaptive cruise control and adaptive cup holders. I'm going to patent that. And we've also got some really nice large drink bottle holders as well. So that's on the near side, on the off side. Large water bottle fits in there perfect. So for your longer journeys, keep nice and hydrated and somewhere to pick your drink without it rolling around. Not only have you got that, you've got another little one here as well. So, and another one there. You could literally have 5 drinks on the go quite happily. So if you are thirsty, buy a Tourneo. Happy days. Right, so in the interest of time, I'll never cover everything. If you want to know more, please do give one of the sales team a call on 01376 550 899. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.